have a child who is really interested in sports. I happen to be extremely interested in basketball. My son and I, when I go to California in the wintertime, we watch all of we can in the basketball and the football. I went into YouTube and I would do this as a school lesson. And I brought up the Team USA highlights, and it was fantastic to watch. Stephen Curry just absolutely stole the show in the last game. He was flitting around that court. He was making 3-point baskets just like that, and it was something to watch. So I would use that in my school as soon as I could. LeBron James, I can't remember which team he was buying, but he made a fantastic basket. He was Anthony Davis. I know all these guys when we watch basketball, and your students will know them too. And probably some didn't know because they're on other teams I don't watch. So your students might be watching the other guys play. But it was fantastic to sit there and watch the USA team come through victorious every time to win the gold. I was so excited, and I am still excited. How exciting life can be. I say that to you homeschool parents, how exciting to life. Pull the excitement out of your children's lives and read about it. My name is Jylene Morgan. I am a children's author. I am an educator and a lifelong reader. Subscribe from my website about how to teach your children to love reading. You can stay connected with me on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and you can subscribe on JyleneMorgan.com.